Welcome to Ancient Civilizations, the channel where we uncover the stories of those who shaped history in ways we were still discovering. Today we were taking an incredible look at the history of the Celts, a civilization renowned for their bravery, artistry, and spiritual depth. The Celts were not a single unified nation, but rather a collection of tribes with shared linguistic, cultural, and artistic traditions, stretching from the British Isles to the far reaches of Anatolia. Who were these people who resisted Rome and mystified the Greeks? The Celts can trace their origins back to the late Bronze Age in Central Europe, around 1200 BCE. They emerged from what archaeologists call the Urnfield culture, named for their distinctive burial practices. Over the centuries, the Celts expanded westward into the British Isles, southward into the Iberian Peninsula, and eastward as far away as Galatia in modern-day Turkey. Their name derives from the Greek word keltoi, meaning the hidden people, a term that reflects how elusive they seem to the ancient world. The Hallstatt culture, which flourished between 800 and 500 BCE, marked the first recognizable Celtic society. Located in present-day Austria, Hallstatt became the center of a thriving trade network that connected the Celts with the Mediterranean civilizations of Greece and Etruria. This trade exposed them to new ideas and technologies, which they adapted to their unique aesthetic and cultural needs. But the spread of Celtic culture wasn't just about material exchange. It was also about their linguistic and spiritual traditions. Their polytheistic beliefs centered on nature and the worship of gods like Lugh, Brigid, and Cernunnos were deeply woven into their daily lives. Celtic society was built on a foundation of tribal loyalty and social structures. Warriors held a place of prestige, but the Druids, priests, philosophers, and educators were the true guardians of Celtic wisdom. Druids played a central role in preserving oral traditions, mediating disputes, and conducting elaborate religious ceremonies in sacred groves. Their influence was so profound that even the Romans, during their conquest of Gaul and Britain, were wary of their power. Art and crafts were also cornerstones of Celtic culture. They excelled in metalworking, creating ornate jewelry, weapons, and religious artifacts, adorned with intricate designs that reflected their spiritual beliefs. The Leyten culture, which succeeded Hallstatt around 450 BCE, represents the pinnacle of Celtic artistic achievement. Its swirling patterns and abstract motifs captured the dynamism of the natural world, suggesting the Celts' reverence for the cycles of life and death. Music and storytelling were equally vital. Bards recited epic tales that recounted heroic deeds and divine encounters. The mythological cycles of Ireland, including stories of Siú Shulain and the Tuatha De Danann, offer a glimpse into the rich imagination of the Celts. These tales were more than entertainment. They conveyed moral lessons and spiritual truths. The expansion of the Celts inevitably brought them into conflict with powerful empires. Perhaps their most famous encounters were with the Romans. Julius Caesar's conquest of Gaul in the 1st century BC marked the beginning of the end for many Celtic tribes. The Celts fought fiercely, as exemplified by leaders such as Vercingetorix, who united the Gauls against Caesar but was ultimately defeated at the Battle of Alesia. Despite these losses, Celtic influence persisted in regions such as Ireland and Scotland, where Roman control never extended. These areas became strongholds of Celtic culture, preserving their language, art, and traditions. Monastic scholars in Ireland played a vital role in documenting Celtic myths and oral histories centuries later, ensuring their survival for future generations. The Celts may have been politically subjugated, but their cultural and spiritual heritage endured. In the Middle Ages, their artistic motifs found new life in illuminated manuscripts, such as the Book of Kells, blending Christian and Celtic traditions. Even today, Celtic knots and symbols are celebrated for their timeless beauty and mysticism. Celtic spirituality, with its emphasis on the sacredness of nature, has experienced a modern revival. Many find inspiration in their reverence for the interconnectedness of life, a concept that resonates with contemporary ecological and spiritual movements. Meanwhile, festivals such as Samhain, now Halloween, remind us of how Celtic traditions have shaped modern customs. The history of the Celts is not just a story of the past, it is a mirror that reflects the eternal struggle for identity and meaning. Their story teaches us the value of community and the beauty of living in harmony with the natural world.